Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is Robert and today I'm bringing you an unboxing. Now this unboxing is quite simple at the end of the day. We've got a couple of different pieces from Palace, Supreme, and yeah, just a couple of different pieces basically. I'm going to be changing out of this because obviously I've got a tee, so I'll be wearing that instead for the duration of this video. But yeah, there isn't really much to say, to be honest. I've been waiting for these items to arrive. I could wait a bit longer for other pieces to come in. But to be honest, it's been already like a week and a bit, and yeah, one of the items today, which they are just there, I'm deciding on whether I'm going to be keeping a separate one, or just getting rid of them both and getting something else entirely different. But yeah, regardless, let's just get straight into this video. As per normal, let me know down below whether your items have arrived yet. It's going to be a bit too soon for Supreme, but for anything else, if they've arrived or if you've got them in, and whether you're going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling whatever you picked up. But yeah, let's get straight into this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, we've obviously got 4 things to go through. I'm going to be starting with this one because it's the obvious. So yeah, let's just cut to that basically. Okay, so this is obviously from Uniqlo, as you may or may not be able to tell. I don't know if people know the bag or not, but in short, they sent an email of like a couple of things coming out because they do their whole UT collection line, where they basically take like an animation or an anime or maybe a different design and put it on a t-shirt, and then once they're sold out, that's it, they're gone. Some of them I've missed, like in the past. Obviously there have been like the Cozi and like Sesame Street. I missed 2 of the like 3 cores that they've done, I believe, because yeah, I wasn't on for the drop. So but this I just wanted because I like. And yeah, so first and foremost, we've got a pair of shorts. A lot of the comments said that their shorts, like sizing, is a bit off. The reason that I'm getting shorts, I genuinely have about like 20 pairs, that's a bit of an exaggeration, 15 pairs, maybe 12 to 15 shorts, but unfortunately about 8, maybe even 9 of them don't fit me now because they're too big. So yeah, I thought I'd get a pair of their just basic shorts that they're offering. And then for the tee, I thought this was the best one out of their collection. I'm worried that it's going to be a bit big, but they said large was correct for me because I'm now starting to wear mediums, but they said large was right, which was a 1-piece tee. All of the others I didn't really like because they were very much so a specific character, or like it was just like a large word or something. It didn't really look too great, but I thought this with just like a front design and a back design, I'll get it out, was the best look. So let's grab the shorts and the tee out. The shorts are genuinely just a basic, well, that's a weird feeling short, but anyway, that's different to what I was expecting. But they're the shorts, just basic grey. And then the tee, I've still got one of the Sesame Street Uniqlo tees actually, going on about that. I've still kept it like brand new in its bag and everything. But here's the tee, looks massive, I'll be honest, I'll be real with you. And then the back graphic, I love things with back graphics, so yeah. Let's just change into both of these in short, so like, that we change. Right, so shorts, they're meant for like sporty type, so I should have gone with the large probably. Yeah, tee is completely fine. It's a little bit oversized, but I'm completely fine with that. That's, yeah, perfectly fine by me. Shorts, I'll probably just wear for like running or something. I'm not going to be going out in public standard with them because they're just too high for me. It's too high, it is too high. But yeah, t-shirt I'm completely fine with, I'm happy with, and yeah, I'll be wearing that just a lot. Feels it is a little bit oversized, but that's fine. Okay, next up is going to be the piece that I said that basically I might keep this, or I might keep a different pair, which would be like the Panda High Dunk, or I'll keep this, or I might get rid of them both and get something else completely different. But yeah, I really don't know at the end of the day what I'm going to do, because these could look really nice. Now these are from Size, which it's my first win with them out of 36 entries. So I'm quite happy that, like with that, oh, that box is just dead as well. So I'm quite happy about that. Box is also looking good. They've double boxed it, but sometimes, you know, it can be completely destroyed even being, you know, double boxed. So yeah, there is some damage obviously, but yeah, this is a smaller size. Like this is a size 9 UK. I normally go for a 9.5, but this is a 9. So I'm a bit hesitant as to how that would fit, but yeah, this is going to be the Animal Pack Zebra or Zebra that recently came out. Yeah. Ooh, I can see why the price went down a little. Leather is like butter, but this suede does not look like the pictures. That does not look like the print they were trying to make in the pictures. But I mean, they look really clean, like really clean. That back as well, that like silver that they've gone with is such a good choice. If I can make it like, but yeah, they look clean. So I might tow them today, to be honest. I might have to do it to them. I don't know. But yeah, they're really nice. They are really nice. But sort of like the lemon drop dunk, a little bit off on how it looks in the pictures to how it looks in hand. I'm quite disappointed with a lot of their pairs recently, to be honest, because a lot of them in the pictures you're like, wow, and you get it in hand, you're like, wow, like, ugh. So yeah, next up, we're moving on to Palace next. Yeah, there's nothing really to say for it. We're moving straight on to Palace. Obviously, it is going to be exactly what you can expect it to be. I'll be honest, I'm probably just going to get rid of both of these purely because I've got the Crocs, you know, and I'm trying to go for something else in the next couple of days that's coming out. So I'm probably going to go for a personal in something else. I could possibly keep these or keep one of them for like a present for a family member, but you never know. We'll see what I do. That's a cool box though. So these are obviously going to be their sticker, but they're slides or sliders. A little bit of dirt to the box, or it's damage, I think. Maybe glue, probably glue. But yeah, these are going to be their slides or sliders. So as you can see, the box is actually really cool. Like I said, it does actually look quite decent for Palace. Like in terms of shipping, I've never really bought anything else except for the, like footwear wise, I've never really bought anything else from them. Except for the Crocs, and they came in a bag. So this is a cool little change up to that. Okay, and they're going to be completely within this as well. So this is going to be the black colorway. It's going to look like that. So, oh, that's hard. Oh no, I'm not giving that as a present. That is really tough. I know how some slides are with how they feel, and that is really not a soft material. But yeah, you've got the Palace going along the side, which is just not really going to focus, and then that's about it. There's nothing else special to them. Paper's different on the white colorway. Why have I got like tissue paper? This one's like rigid, this is like tissue paper. So here's the white colorway. Looking a bit cleaner, I'd say, in comparison. It says the size on the inside, and they say made in Portugal, and there's Palace. So yeah, like it is what it is really when it comes to it. Like it's a slide or a slider. Like you're getting what you pay for in terms of what you pay for, which in this case is just a slide. So yeah, but yeah, that is then covered. I don't know, I could give one to a family member, but at the same time I don't think that it's the greatest look compared to some things. I mean, the boxes are all cool and everything, but yeah, that's them anyway. They are cool. I won't like take away from them the fact they are cool. So okay, on to the last box. It says do not use a blade to open on either side. So they're not really giving me a choice in what I can do. I'm guessing they might have just put like bubbles, or not bubbles, but like the that type of paper on it. But if I can just get a cut on it, then I can open it with ease. And I was right, yeah, they're just the bubble type things on the inside. So let's take them out, and here we have the umbrella and a sticker. So umbrella, I've already got 2 Supreme umbrellas, but one of them is like nowhere to be found. So yeah, let's take a look at this one and how this looks. Obviously it's not best to open an umbrella on the inside, but you know, obviously little bag, it's cool. I like the colour to it, the Supreme. I love this lavender type of colour, but yeah, obviously you shouldn't open an umbrella inside, you know, it's bad luck, but ka-chow. So here is the umbrella stand back. This looks a lot larger than some of the other ones that I've had, but yeah, there you go, yeah. It's cool, looks decent as well, so yeah. job done, and that is that. So that is going to cover this unboxing. If you enjoyed it, like, much appreciated. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a good day. I'm still not really like pumped, you know. I don't know, because you can't just put it on. It doesn't. I mean, some people can, but you can't really just yeah. So regardless, thank you for watching. I hope that you have a good day, and I will see you all next time. Peace.